and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I'm Emily, and I am so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Robert. It's wonderful to see you again. We have such an exciting topic for you today.
That's right, Robert. Today, we are talking about something that many people struggle with. We're going to talk about bad habits and how to stop them.
Yes, Emily, bad habits are things we do repeatedly without thinking. They're not good for us, but we keep doing them anyway.
Exactly. And the good news is that we can change them. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. This helps us so much. Also, share this episode with your friends.
That's right. And please leave a comment below. Tell us about your bad habits or your success stories. We love reading your comments. Now, let's talk about bad habits.
First, let's understand what a bad habit is. A habit is something you do every day. You don't think about it. It just happens automatically.
Right. For example, maybe you bite your nails, or maybe you check your phone every 5 minutes. These are habits. Bad habits are not healthy or helpful.
Some common bad habits are eating too much sugar, sleeping too late, not exercising, spending too much time on social media, smoking, drinking too much coffee.
I know many people struggle with these habits. Emily, what are some bad habits you have noticed in your life?
Well, I used to check my phone too much. I would wake up and immediately look at my phone. I did this before breakfast, before work, even before talking to my family.
That's very common today. Everyone has a phone. Everyone uses it all day. But this habit can be very bad for our mental health and our sleep.
Exactly. I realized I needed to change this habit, so I started working on it. Robert, do you have any bad habits?
Yes, I do. I have a habit of eating snacks before bed. I'm never really hungry, but I just want something to eat. It's a bad habit for my health and my sleep.
I understand. Many people have this habit. Eating at night can make sleep difficult. Now, let's talk about the first step to stopping bad habits. You need to understand your habit.
What do you mean by understand your habit?
Good question. Understanding your habit means knowing when you do it. Where do you do it? Why do you do it? What feeling do you have before you do it?
Ah, I see. So for my eating habit, I should think about when I eat. I eat at night, I eat in my bedroom or on my sofa, I eat when I feel stressed or bored.
Perfect. And that's very important. You're starting to understand your habit. For me, I checked my phone when I felt bored or anxious. I wanted to see if anyone messaged me. I wanted to see what my friends were doing.
So the second step is to identify the trigger. A trigger is something that makes you do the bad habit.
Yes, your trigger can be a feeling. It can be a time of day. It can be a place. It can be something another person says or does.
My trigger is stress and boredom. When I feel stressed or bored, I want to eat snacks. That's my trigger.
And my trigger was waking up and feeling anxious. Also, I felt bored at work. These feelings made me check my phone constantly.
Now I understand. Once you know your trigger, what is the next step?
The next step is to create a new habit. You cannot just stop doing something. You need to replace it with something else, something healthy.
That's interesting. So instead of eating snacks at night, I could do something else, something that helps me feel relaxed or happy.
Exactly right. You could read a book. You could do some stretching. You could drink tea. You could listen to music. Find something you enjoy, something healthy.
And for you, Emily, what did you replace phone checking with?
I started doing meditation. I would sit quietly for 5 minutes. I would breathe slowly. This helped me feel calm and less anxious. Over time, I didn't feel the need to check my phone.
That's wonderful, Emily. Meditation is very healthy. Now, what's the next step in stopping bad habits?
The next step is to make it easy to do the new habit. Make it hard to do the old habit. This is very important.
Can you explain that more?
Of course. For example, if you want to stop eating snacks at night, don't buy the snacks. Don't keep them in your house. Make it difficult to eat them.
I understand. But make it easy to do something healthy instead, like putting healthy snacks in an easy place or putting my yoga mat in my bedroom.
Yes, exactly. For my phone habit, I left my phone in another room at night. I made it hard to check. I kept a book near my bed. I made it easy to read instead.
That's clever. You changed your environment. You made your new habit easier. What about the next step?
The next step is very important. You need to be patient with yourself. Change takes time. You will not change overnight.
How much time does it take to change a habit?
Scientists say it takes about 21 to 66 days. It depends on the person. It depends on the habit. Some habits are easier to change than others.
So you need to be patient, you need to practice every day, you need to not give up, even if it's difficult.
Yes, that's exactly right. Some days you will fail. You will do the old habit again. This is okay. It's normal. Just keep trying.
What do you do when you fail and go back to the bad habit?
Don't feel bad. Don't give up. Just start again the next day. Remember your reason. Remember why you want to change.
Why is it important to remember your reason?
Because your reason keeps you motivated. For me, I wanted to check my phone less so I could sleep better. I wanted to be more present with my family. This reason helped me continue.
I like that. Having a strong reason is very powerful. Emily, what's another important step?
You need to track your progress. Write down when you do the new habit. Keep a journal. See how many days you do it.
This helps you see your improvement. It makes you feel good about your progress.
Exactly. You can use a calendar. Make a mark each day you succeed. Soon, you'll have a long line of marks. This is called a habit chain.
A habit chain. I like that. So you don't want to break the chain. You want to keep the chain going.
Right. It's very motivating. You want to add another mark. You want to keep your chain alive. This helps you stay committed.
That's a great tip. Now, are there any other important things to know about stopping bad habits?
Yes, you should get support. Tell a friend or family member about your goal. Ask them to help you.
How can someone help you?
They can encourage you. They can remind you of your goal. They can keep you accountable. They can celebrate your success with you.
That's wonderful. Having support makes everything easier. So let's review the steps to stop bad habits.
First, understand your habit. Know when you do it, where, and why.
Second, identify your trigger. Know what makes you do the habit.
Third, create a new healthy habit to replace the old one.
Fourth, make the new habit easy and the old habit hard.
Fifth, be patient with yourself. Change takes time.
Sixth, remember your reason and stay motivated.
Seventh, track your progress. Use a habit chain or a journal.
And eighth, get support from friends and family. Now, I want to give you one more important tip.
What is it, Robert?
Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one bad habit. Focus on that one habit.
That's excellent advice. If you try to change too many things, you will become overwhelmed. You will give up.
Right. Change one habit first. Once you succeed, you can work on another habit. This is much better.
I completely agree. One more thing. Be proud of yourself. Every small success is important. Celebrate your progress.
Yes, you are working hard. You are making yourself healthier and happier. That deserves celebration.
Well, I think we've covered so much today about stopping bad habits. I hope this was helpful for you.
I hope so too, Emily. These steps really work. I have used them myself and they work.
Now, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what bad habit do you want to stop? How will you start?
Yes, please share your story. We read all the comments. We love hearing from you. Your story might help someone else.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Small Talk Podcast. We have new episodes every week. We cover topics for English learners.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. Share this episode with friends who are learning English and want to stop bad habits.
Give us a thumbs up. This helps us a lot. It tells YouTube that you enjoyed this episode.
Thank you so much for watching today. You're amazing.
Keep practicing your English. Keep working on your habits.
You can do it. We believe in you. Remember, change is possible. You are strong and capable.
That's right, Emily. Until next time, everyone, keep learning, keep growing, keep changing those bad habits.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you next week. Take care of yourselves.
Goodbye. See you soon. Bye, everyone.